Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is the Flux 3D printer. Let me give you a big picture here. And down here at the base is a scanner module, I believe. Yeah. Now, this just started happening today. Literally, it won't sit in. It's not sitting at all now. It won't stay down. So pretty much as soon as I release my finger here, it's going to pop up just like that, which means the base, which is supposed to sit right here, is not going to sit flush. So there's clearly a problem here with the printer if I can't get the base to stay flush. Now, I used some pretty heavy-duty tape, but it didn't stop that spring. There's a pretty big spring in there. Buyer beware. This is the Flux Studio 3D printer, and frankly, after nearly 2 years of trying to get it to work, I still have only produced maybe 3 items successfully. Caveat emptor, buyer beware. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.